Hey, Matt here from 911R. People have been talking about possible exhaust leaks or noises on this Galaxie. I just opened up the hood, took the air cleaner off so everybody can see. I'm going to go ahead and reach in here and start it. Starts and idles really nice. Rev it up here. No noises, no exhaust leaks, no rod knock. This thing runs really good. If you wouldn't be worried about driving anything with this engine checks out good. I'll rev it up here one more time. Runs really good. I'll turn the key off. Let us know if you have any questions. Use the contact seller button. I'm happy to get you any other details. I know sometimes people think about the external mic that we use sometimes creates different noises they're not used to. It's not what it sounds like when you're in the car, but we try to, we use the external mic so people can hear the engine. This engine has very, very small exhaust pipe. So when you get on the gas, it does make some air noises, but that's totally normal. There's no issues, no exhaust leaks, no problems with this engine. Thank you.